Hello dear children, good morning. Today I am going to start with the lesson 3 Festivals of India. So all of you open page number 237 in your textbooks children. Lesson 3 Festivals of India. Before going to start the lesson, let us see the warm up part. Look at the Rangoli pattern given below. Use the colored segment as a guide and complete the pattern. So here they have given the rangoli, right? This is a rangoli pattern and we have to use colored segments. This part was colored already, so we have to use this colored segment as a guide and we have to complete the entire pattern. So do this part children, okay? And in this lesson we are going to learn harvest festivals, religious festivals and national days. Kinds of festivals. Festivals are times of celebration and fun. Yes, we feel so happy during the festival days, right? We celebrated the festivals with our family members, friends, neighbors and all. So we feel so much of fun during festivals. Festivals are times of celebration and fun. We wear new clothes. Yes, we used to go for shopping and we buy new clothes. We get them to the house and we used to wear on the festivals. Eat sweets and make merry. India is the land of many festivals. Yes, India is a land of many religions and we have many festivals. We celebrate different kinds of festivals. The harvest festivals, religious festivals and national days. So, what we celebrate? We celebrate harvest festivals, religious festivals and national days of India. Harvest festivals. Farming is the most common occupation of people in our country. Yes, in our country, farming is the most common occupation of many people. The season of harvest is an important season for farmers. Yes, harvest season means the farmers will get their crops. It's so much important to farmers. They reap crops. Reap crops means cut or gather, okay? They reap crops in this season, in harvest season, okay? It is a time of excitement and joy. So the harvest season is nothing but the time of excitement and joy. We feel so excited at that time. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are reaped. So we celebrate these harvest festivals when crops are reaped. People celebrate these festivals with much energy and happiness. So we celebrate the festival, the harvest festival, with so much of energy and happiness. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. So this Baisakhi festival is the harvest festival and celebrated in Punjab. Men and women perform Bhangra and Gidda on this day. So men and women both they perform a Bhangra and Gidda dance on this day. We can see here, right? They dance to the beat of dhol. Yes, here we can find a dhol. So they dance to the beat of dhol. Baisakhi fairs are organized at many places. People participate in these fairs in large numbers. Next, Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal celebrations last for 4 days. People worship the sun god in this festival. They decorate their homes with mango and banana leaves. They cook rice in a clay pot under the sunlight and call it Pongal rice. The dish is offered to the sun god. So, Pongal is the harvest festival which is celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. Pongal celebrations last for, so they celebrate Pongal celebrations for 4 days. And the main motto of this festival is people worship the Lord Sun in this festival. They decorate their homes with mango and banana leaves. They cook rice in a clay pot under the sunlight and They call such rice as Pongal rice, and this dish is offered to the god sun. Next, Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. So Onam is celebrated in the Kerala. It lasts for 10 days. They celebrate this festival for 10 days. People celebrate Onam in honor of the legendary King Mahabali. So this festival was celebrated for the honor of the legendary King Mahabali. During Mahabali's rule, Kerala enjoyed a period of peace and prosperity. So this Mahabali ruled Kerala with peace and prosperity. So to honor him, Mahabali, people used to celebrate Onam for 10 days. Onam is famous for grand feast, beautiful flower patrons and snake boat races. So we can see here beautiful flower patrons, grand feast and snake boat races will be held at Onam in Kerala. Okay. Next, Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival celebrated in Assam. So this Bihu